hopefully I have another line pick here for y'all. I got 3 Avises this time. This is a, oh, it doesn't matter, I don't think I'm going to pick that one. An 80 Ti or something like that. And then I got 2 of these 7240s. Let's see. I actually thought these were bigger than this. These, oh wow. Huh, they look bigger on other videos. These are actually, huh, okay. Take a look at that bidding later. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I have never picked one of these before, so I have no idea about tensioning, so I apologize for the delay. I may actually, let's see here. May go bottom of the keyway. Try that once. Trying to get a feel for these pins here. Let's get it in here. I don't know if these guys like zipping or not. Alright, I think I'm in a full set already. This is a 7240 if I didn't say that. Using the McTickler. I believe these should be green belt locks. I think I had counter rotation. Good click. Think counter rotation. See what else we got here. Counter rotation, overset. Oh, and picked. Alright. 7240. I don't know if I showed that. Let's look at the bidding. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know these locks. Alright, let's do another one maybe. So looking at the bidding. Hopefully you're getting all this on video. So that was the McTickler once again. This is another 7240. Might be in a full set already. First pin. Okay, there we go. Second pin, I think. Full set. I think it is the first pin. Sorry, I'm not used to these keyways at all. Oh, no. I'm in a full set. I was trying to. Wasn't a full set. Tempted to use number 1 hook. Oh, good click. It might be a little heavy on the tension. Counter rotation. Come on. Can't seem to get on it. Oh, good click. Full set still. Oh. Counter rotation. I can't get under them. There we go. Don't want to lift. Come on. Let's get the number 1 hook and see if we can get in there. We might have to go. There we go. Good click. Full set. Just gotta get my tension hook out. See what we got left over here. Continuing with the number 1. Counter rotation. Can't get it clicked though. Counter rotation. Can't get a click. I'm gonna let it drop down. Go back to the McTickler. Counter rotation. Need a deeper hook, maybe? Oh, maybe I should use top of the keyway. I don't know. I ain't liking this bottom of the keyway. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, I had it picked. Maybe I let a pin drop or something. Not sure exactly what was going on there. Alright. Betting on this guy. Oh yeah, might have been struggling there. But it's all good. And once again on this one. Okay. 2 of them, 7240s. McTickler number 1 hook with the assist. Thanks for watching.